Once upon a time, in the animal kingdom, there lived two friends, a tortoise and a dog. They were very close and knew a lot of things about each other. There came a great famine that lasted more than usual. There was no food and no water, and the crops and soil dried up. There was hunger in the land, and no one had food to eat. One day, the tortoise decided to pay his friend, the dog, a visit and beg for some food. When he got there, he saw the dog was eating fresh food and he begged him for some. The dog gave the tortoise enough to eat. When the tortoise was done, he asked the dog where he got the food from because there was famine and no one had as much as that to eat. The dog smiled and refused to share his secret with the tortoise, for he knew the tortoise was very greedy. So he gave some tubers of yam to the tortoise and he left. The next day, the tortoise was so eager to know where the dog got the food from, and so he started watching the dog's movement. He hid himself behind the tree and quietly followed the dog. When the dog got to the farm, he quietly dug up few tubers of yam and covered the holes back. When he was about leaving, the tortoise approached him and asked him what he just did. The dog was reluctant at first, but he told the tortoise the truth as he had been caught already. He told the tortoise that very early every morning, before the farmers wake up, he would come to their farms and harvest some tubers of yam for himself and his family. The tortoise was amazed and also decided to harvest some too. He harvested a lot of yam and carried them on his back. The dog advised him not to take too much in order to be able to run fast before the farmers wake up. But the tortoise paid no ears to his advice. They did this for weeks till one fateful day. They both went to the farm and the dog harvested the amount of yam he could carry and started walking home. The tortoise, however, took a lot of yam, even more than usual, and tied it on his back. He was unable to walk fast, and so he started calling the dog for help, but the dog was far gone. He struggled with the load on his back, and eventually the farmers woke up and caught him. They took him to the king, and he was made to face the law. When the dog saw this, he started realizing the harm he was doing to the poor farmers, and since that day, he stopped stealing their food because he did not want to end up like the tortoise. This is the end of this story. Thank you for listening to this story. Please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And please do not skip the ads on this channel, as it will be your way of supporting us. We love and appreciate you. Bye.